Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this. Okay everyone, so in this WordPress tutorial we're gonna learn how you can install the Divi theme from Elegant Themes in WordPress in 2019. Alright, so I'm gonna update my website, waatz.com, with the theme Divi theme. Okay, so to do this I will go to Elegant Themes. If you don't have an account or this product, I will leave a link below in the description. And disclaimer, I am affiliated with Elegant Themes. That means I will get a small commission if you buy their products. Alright, so just go to account, create one if you don't have one, and after that just click on login. Alright, so here we find the Divi theme. If you don't see this, just go and click on account details, and click on product downloads. Alright, so just click on download the Divi theme, and this will download a zip file. After that we can go back to our WordPress site. We're gonna go to the backend, just hover right here over your URL and go to dashboard, and in the left sidebar you see appearance and themes. Click on that and go to add new. Click on that and click on upload theme. And if you have a theme in a zip format, you may install it by uploading it here. Okay, so click choose file and find the zip file and click on the zip file and click on open. Click on install now. Alright, so the theme is installed successfully. Now you can choose to live preview or activate. So let's go on live preview. Right, so first you need to customize this theme. So you can customize it, and after that you can activate and publish. But in my case, I'm just gonna go and activate it right away, and I'm gonna customize it after the activation. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on activate right here, like that. So now we have the Divi theme activated. And you can find Divi in the left sidebar right here. So you see theme options, theme customizer, role editor, Divi library, and support center. Alright, so if I go to the website right now, we see the site right here. So now I need to go and customize this theme. So I need to change the logo and the layout and all of these things. Alright, okay, so this is how you can install the Divi theme. And I'm gonna make more videos on how you can change the logo, the layout, and all of these things. Okay, so I hope this helped. Have an awesome day. Take care and bye. Okay everyone, so this is the end of this tutorial. I hope this helped. If you want, you can leave a comment below. You can subscribe to my channel right here. And also check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.